Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, on 23 of August 2020, I am going to teach you a short story which is about a greedy dog. Dear students, you should know that one who is greedy in this world, one who shows greediness, he will not achieve his goal in this world. He will not success in his purpose, in his goal, because that person who will try to become greedy, he lost each and everything in this world. He has no regard in the society, even in his family. So I have choose for you a story which is about a dog. The dog is greedy, so by his greediness he lost a piece of meat. Once a dog was crossing over a bridge, which bridge was on a stream. The dog has a piece of meat in his mouth. During crossing the dog on the bridge, he saw another dog and a piece of meat in his mouth. Actually, it was not the dog, but it was the shape of this dog who was crossing over a bridge on a stream. The dog see the another dog which was his own shape, but the dog could not understood if the another dog is actually a dog like him. So he start barking. When dog starts barking, his mouth opens that time. So this is the case that the dog lost his piece of meat in his mouth. The piece of meat fell in the stream, and the dog's shadow disappears. So the dog who was crossing on the bridge, he lost his piece of meat which was in the dog's mouth. In this story, we receive its theme, its purpose, that greediness is curse. Nobody try to become a greedy in this world, whether he is a human being, whether he concerns in humanity or human being, or whether he is any living creature, animal, animals, birds, or any other living creatures. When they shows greediness, they lost each and everything in this world. So is the case of human beings. When among the human beings someone shows greediness in this world, he lost each and everything in the society. He lost his respect in his family, in the society, or any other place. So, dear students, the theme of the story is that never try to become a greedy. Greediness is bad evil in the society. Greediness is not a good quality, but it is bad quality. So we have try to become honest in this world. We have tried to become good men, good human beings, and the whole society will respect us. That person who shows honesty, dedication, and who will always ready to help the needy persons without any greediness. So, dear students, this was a story about a dog who shows greediness, and finally he lost his purpose. He lost the piece of meat which was in his mouth. I hope that you would have understood the story, and again you will try to this try to read this story and try to understand